Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, Brother MFC Printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to remove the paper jam on this device. So basically, it's very easy to do. You don't even need to disable your device. So I'm gonna show you all you need to know. So firstly, just open the paper tray, remove all paper cards from here, and just look inside. Did you see the paper cards? If you see paper cards or pieces of the jammed paper, just pull it out. Okay. Then the second aspect you can do is to remove the paper cards from the back door. Try to see, do you see the pieces of paper card here? If no, just close the paper back door. Here we have the next step, and if you see here the paper card, just remove it from here. Here's the duplex. Okay. And the last step you can do is to open the scanner. So not the scanner glass, but the scanner door. Cool. And here now you can see the paper card. So I have no, but if you see the paper card here, here inside, just remove it from here. Cool. Then close the door. Oh wait, it's very it's not easy to do it with one hand. And cool. And then click close it all. Insert paper cards again in your paper tray and insert the paper tray. Cool, that's it. Thanks for watching. So I will try to copy something. Wait a while. And cool, as you can see, it's printing right now without any issues. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.